Question is, what are we going to do the video about? I said to Bart, I have no idea. But what I do know, this guy's a freaking genius. And he's coming here, and he makes me look good. He was talking to somebody. I said, what the heck is he talking about? And he's giving a class here. I said to him, you know so much that you have to share it. And he said, okay, go ahead. What are you doing the video on?
All right, guys, listen, on the 28th, Arnold's going to sponsor a little workshop here. So for an hour and a half, we're going to have some fun. We're going to hook together some electronics gadgets and learn a little bit about electronics. Yeah, it's a technical talk. It's a technical journey together. It's really experiential. It's going to be hands-on. We're going to go talking about some electromagnets to motors
What does that mean?
to
Explain in detail.
electromagnets. Basically, how current flows through a wire to create a magnet, and then what you could do with that. So early on, that was where really electronics started, was with that whole kind of real basic concept. And of course, then it expands, right? It expands into transistors and lasers, LEDs, capacitors, inductors, etc. So what we're going to do is, in 90 minutes, we're going to learn as much as possible, but mostly through hands-on projects.
What does that look like?
So, well, we're going to have, I'm going to bring everything. So I'll have batteries and some wires and some printed circuit, or not printed circuits, some prototyping circuit boards.
By the way, this is free.
Yes, and it's free. So 90 minutes on the 28th from 6:30 to 8 o'clock. Join us. Look forward to seeing you. Great. Take care.
Okay, so then